been nearly a couple years since the launch of the original Amazon Echo Show 8, and like many people, I really enjoyed that one because it had the perfect size. It sat right in between the Echo Show 5 and the Echo Show 10, so it was more ideal to put it on your nightstand, coffee table, or on your desk because of that size. Now we have a proper successor in the 2021 version of the Echo Show 8, and aesthetically, it might look very similar, but there are a few features that make it different, which I'll go through in my video right now. But before I get started on that, guys, I just want to remind you to make sure to like this video if you find it informative. Also, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because you'll get all our latest videos. And the thing I want to ask you guys is, I've had this question of what's better, a smart display or a smart speaker. There are pros and cons of each, so let me know in the comments which one you think is the better buy. The most notable thing here with the Amazon Echo Show 8 2021 version is the brand new camera it's packing along. It's a 13 megapixel wide angle one. The previous unit did have a camera, but this is unique because now it has the ability to digitally pan and zoom. It's a feature that's not necessarily exclusive here to the Echo Show. We've seen it implemented in other smart displays like the Google Nest Hub Max. I can definitely see how it's a useful feature for some, but for me, I wouldn't consider it a die-hard feature. So essentially, it comes in handy for things like Amazon Alexa phone calls and Zoom phone calls. So now you'll be able to move around freely in a room, so you can stand up, move around. You don't necessarily have to stand right in front of the smart display just to conduct these video phone calls. So yeah, if you desperately want that pan and zoom ability with video phone calls, then get this latest version. If not, I still recommend going with the original model because Amazon is still selling it at $20 cheaper. Amazon's using this thing called adaptive color technology for the display here to deliver these photorealistic results. And I gotta say, it looks nice. Colors do pop. It is hard to believe it's a smart display because at times it looks like a regular photo frame. But this is a feature we've actually seen before in other smart displays like the Nest Hub series, where it uses the ambient EQ technology to adjust the color temperature of the display depending on the lighting conditions around. And because of that, the Amazon Echo Show 8 looks phenomenal as a digital photo frame. Colors are really punchy, and the images that scroll through look lifelike. They're photorealistic, and you'd be hard-pressed to even realize it's a smart display. The last area where the Amazon Echo Show 8 really shines in is actually in the sound department. The audio performance packs a punch, and you do get the same incredible audio performance as before. It's powered by a 2-inch speaker driver, and that's paired with a passive bass radiator. Now, just by looking at the Echo Show 8, because of its size, you wouldn't think it's big on audio, but it is. It delivers room-filling sound, and there's definitely an emphasis on the bass. It can be overwhelming at times and kind of drowns out some of the audio in the higher ranges, but luckily you could tone down some of the bass and some of the other settings too through the Alexa app or on the smart display itself. But either way, it does offer great audio. So yeah, that is the Amazon Echo Show 8, the 2021 version. Honestly, there's not a lot of big changes here. The most notable thing here being the new camera, which can digitally pan and zoom if you need it for video phone calls. But besides that, you're essentially getting the same package as before in terms of design, sound quality, and functionality, because let's face it, Alexa still works in the same capacity on the original model as it does now with this one. And that is it for my video review here of the Amazon Echo Show 8 2021 edition. If you guys want to learn more about it or any of the stuff I talked about in this video, check out our website, digitaltrends.com. I'm John V, and I'll see you in my next video.